Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to unlock AT&T Fusion 5G. As usual, we have here one lot sample. As you can see, it's network locked. This model is also known as EA211005. So in order to unlock it, I'm going to use OT Smart module from pack 6 of Furiousgold box. Also, I want to mention that this phone uses a specific band for the network, so be sure that the operator you wish to use on it, once it's unlocked, matches the specs that you can see here. They are also listed on the site. So let's start with the unlocking. First, we need to power off the device. Now on the software, I'm going to choose our model. And from here, I'm going to choose remove SIM lock. Once the software starts for searching for the mobile, I'm going to keep pressed volume up and down on our phone and connect the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. Now we need to do what the software says. We need to remove the USB cable, power on the device, and after it starts, we simply power it off. Now I'm going to simply power it off. I'm going to press OK on our dialog and connect again the phone with volume up and down pressed. If all is okay, the phone gets detected and the unlock process continues. So that's all. Let's remove the USB cable and power on the device. You can see it's not asking anymore any code, it's not showing network locked, but we have here no service. This is because we don't have in our country any operator to match the specs there. But if you go on the menu, you can see here it sees the network, but it cannot register in it, because of that reason I mentioned earlier. Anyway, thanks for watching this tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.